write 4 natural log of x minus 5 natural log of y plus natural log of z as one logarithm. First, we'll apply the power rule in reverse, and we will write 4 natural log of x as the natural log of x to the 4th, minus 5 natural log of y we'll write as the natural log of y to the 5th. And then we have plus the natural log of z. Now, when we subtract two logarithms, then we can write that as the natural log of the quotient of those numbers. So it would be the natural log of x to the 4th divided by y to the 5th. Then we still have plus the natural log of z. When we are adding two logarithms, then that is the equivalent of taking the logarithm of their product. So this would be the natural logarithm of x to the 4th times z over y to the 5th, and then that is our answer.